The Indian Army has signed a contract to procure BvS10 Sindhu vehicles from Larsen Toubro, which partnered with BAE Systems for the program. L&T will manufacture the vehicles at its Armoured Systems Complex in Hazira with technical and design support from BAE Systems Hägglunds, and the deal includes integrated logistic support for deployment, maintenance and long-term sustainment. The BvS10 Sindhu is an upgraded version of the BvS10 all-terrain vehicle designed for India's high-altitude, desert, marshland and amphibious environments. It completed extensive trials that demonstrated high performance across sea level and mountain conditions. The BvS10 unmatched mobility, flexibility, and performance in extreme climatic conditions are critical attributes highlighted by the Indian Army, said Tommy Gustafsson Rask, Managing Director of BAE Systems Hägglunds. We are proud to support India's defense modernization through this licensing program, which embodies our commitment to local manufacturing and technology transfer under the Make in India initiative. The program is expected to improve the Indian Army's operational, strategic and tactical mobility while strengthening India's push for defense modernization. It also reinforces the role of BAE Systems and L&T as key partners in delivering advanced mobility platforms and supporting industrial self-reliance. This contract marks a significant milestone in India's defense landscape under the Make in India initiative and reaffirms L&T's strengths in systems engineering and manufacturing of defense-critical requirements at industrial scale, complemented by a proven vehicle platform and the global defense credentials of BAE Systems, said Arun Ramchandani, Senior Vice President and Head of L&T's Precision Engineering and Systems Business. The partnership is presented as a model for secure supply, joining international technology with local production to ensure resilient and scalable defense capability. The BvS10 contract and licensing agreement in India reflects the exceptional teamwork of BAE Systems Hägglunds and L&T, said Darren Reesterick, BAE Systems Hägglunds Regional Director. This milestone not only lays the foundation for future growth but also marks the first expansion of BvS10 into Asia, underscoring its unrivaled position in the all-terrain, armored, amphibious market. The articulated design of the BvS10 supports movement across snow, ice, rock, sand, mud, swamps and steep mountains, while its amphibious performance allows operation in flooded zones and coastal waters. It can transport personnel and supplies or carry mounted lethality to counter threats in modern operations. Its modular structure supports roles such as troop transport, command and control, ambulance, repair and recovery, logistics, situational awareness and weapons carriage. The vehicle is already in service in Austria, France, the Netherlands, Sweden, Ukraine and the United Kingdom, and it is on order for the German Army.